guys, I think I can guide you through this. Follow me and we will jump together. Oh no! I was not serious. Now I show you the real magic.
You can do it!